The whole new Syma Z1 is going to bring you a whole new flight experience. It's ready to fly when you get it. In the following process, you're free to pause the video at any time and learn the Syma Z1 accessories assembly with us. Expand the folded rotor. Insert the protective guard into the corresponding slot. Install battery for aircraft. Use your phone, scan QR code, and install software. After connecting the Wi-Fi hotspot, then open the software. One key takeoff. One key landing. Fly in the constant altitude. When aircraft's indicator light flashes, it means the aircraft battery is low. At this time, the battery must be charged or replaced. When the aircraft's battery power is low, use the charging cable for charging. When the indicator goes off, it means charging is finished. Ascend. Descent. Forward. Backward. Left sideward flight. Right sideward flight. Left rolling. Right rolling.
To enter the headless mode, you may click on the headless mode button. Click it one more time to exit. For a speed switch, you may click the speed switch button.
Trimmer key.
When the aircraft is deviated, press the corresponding fine-tuning button to adjust. Now switch to photo and video taken. To enter gravity mode, press the right joystick area and tilt the phone to control the flight of the aircraft. Release it to the exit.
Draw a flight path on the screen, allowing the aircraft to fly according to the track. It has optical flow positioning augmentation system. Equipped with a rotatable 720-pixel Wi-Fi real-time HD camera, you can enjoy real-time watching. Besides, its optical flow positioning system will bring you a stable and excellent aerial photography effect. Syma Z1 makes flying so easy.